I'm a German Shepherd breeder, so this kind of stuff really bothers me. Look at this dog. She's shy, she's nervous, everything makes her afraid. She's socially anxious. This is the type of dog, you know, it's going to take a lot of work to get her to the place where she's going to have a normal life. And as a breeder, you should not feel good producing dogs like this, you know, and I'm betting this is not the only puppy in the litter that is like this. I'm sure the breeder will claim that that is the case, but this is nerves. Okay, nothing was done to this dog. This dog hasn't been trained yet. This is the default temperament of this dog. What I want to see from a young German Shepherd is socially open, happy, excited. You know, it doesn't have to love people, but it should have a nice open body language. It should have some confidence. Of course, all puppies are afraid of something at some time, but you should see some recovery. I don't know one breed that this behavior is good in, but as a German Shepherd breeder especially, this is a guardian breed. Does this dog look like it'll ever protect anybody? My point is that when you are selecting a German Shepherd, you need to reward people with good breeding practices that are producing confident dogs. This is a beautiful dog. Look how beautiful she is. That's all she is, because that was the focus, I guarantee, of the breeding program, and that is the result of breeding only for looks. So we're going to be bringing this dog along and putting more confidence in her, but she should be genetically confident. She shouldn't need all this help to get there. Look at how she carries herself. She's always looking to run. Does this dog bite the handlers at all? Or? Yeah. This dog is so nervous. The very people she lives with can't even handle her confidently. As a German Shepherd breeder, for me, this is unacceptable. That breeding should never be repeated. Be very careful, guys, where you get your dogs. Be very, very careful. What we should be doing, look at that. Again, it's all about breeding. She wasn't beaten. This is all poor nerves and poor genetic quality in the dog. This is what leads to this. So a lot of work ahead of us here. We're gonna get her to the point where she can live a normal life. It's never gonna have that type of character that a German Shepherd should have. And breeders that produce these kinds of dogs should be ashamed and embarrassed of themselves. Or, you know, maybe it was a one-off and a mistake. They should never repeat that mistake.